Hi Coach, this is Philip doing tutorial number 19. So here at the beginning of the code we have this include liquid crystal H, which includes the library, and then this includes the cure time library. Then here, these are the ports it's plugged into, 12, 11, 5, 4, 3, and 2. Then here this begins the LCD screen through rows 16 through column 2, and then it clears the board. Then this is the hour, that's the minutes, and that's the second. And then this is the month, and this is the day, and this is the year. That's what you set it to. Then here it creates an array that is 16 lockers long, and it's called clock time. Then here it fills that array with hour, minute, and second. Then it creates another array that's 16 lockers long, which is called date time, and it fills date time with the day, the month, and the year. Then it sets the cursor to 0, 0, and it prints out daytime right here. And then it sets it to 0, 1, so on the next column down, and prints out clock time. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So here's the board. So the first, right here, we have the power to the potentiometer and the ground to the potentiometer, and this is the signal pin going to the third slot. And then the first slot is ground, as demonstrated by that black wire, and then the second slot is power. Then here, so this again is the yellow wire to the potentiometer, and then this green and this blue go right here to ports 12 and 11, and then this black wire right here, that's just going to ground. Then we have these 4 wires down here. These are all plugged into 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then this white wire, which is plugged into ground. And this red one, which is into the 3.3 volt. And yeah, that's pretty much it. The modified circuit. So here, first, we have this red wire, which is here getting plugged into 13 right over there. Then that just goes to this switch to turn it on and off, which then goes to a potentiometer to vary how loud the piezo is. And then here's the piezo, and then that just connects to ground over here. Then here we have 2 LEDs, which is connected to this orange wire, which is over here getting plugged into number 9 right there. And then that's also just getting grounded by this brown wire right here, which goes over there. And now you can see, I'm going to turn this on. Here we go. And I can change how loud it is. And you see once this number gets to 60, these lights will flash. There we go. And then it resets its sequence again. And that's it. The serial print for the frequency. So as you can see, it's increasing by 50 every time. The modified code. So here, I've just changed the time to the current day. Then I've added this buzzer here. And then I've set the pin mode 9 to an output, which is the LED. And then this is just the serial begin for the printout. Then down here, we have this here, which is integer frequency equals the second multiplied by 50. This is to get the right frequency, otherwise the frequency would be too low. So then the tone, it's pin 13 is what the piezo's at, and frequency is again this, which is the tone. And then the serial print prints out the frequency. Then here, it's a simple if. So if the seconds equal 59, then it turns the LED on for half a second, and then it turns it off for half a second, and then it restarts the loop. And yeah, that's pretty much it.